Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can remove WhatsApp call link on iPhone. If you open WhatsApp and go on call and click on create call link, it is going to show you a link, and if you share that link to anybody or anyone who has that link can call you on WhatsApp, or they can join you when you're calling other people on WhatsApp. So that is basically what WhatsApp call link does. And if you want to remove WhatsApp call link, the only way to do that is to delete your WhatsApp and reinstall it again. If you do that, it is going to reset your WhatsApp call link. So that is the only working way you guys can remove it. Now, before you remove it or before you delete WhatsApp, make sure to back up your chat. Otherwise, all of your important chats are going to be deleted. For that, click on setting at the bottom right and click on over here where it says chat. Click on chat backup and click on backup now. Once the backup of the chat is complete, then you can delete your WhatsApp and reinstall the WhatsApp app and log in into your account. Once you do that, it is going to show you a new call link. So that is the working method on how you guys can remove WhatsApp call link. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then, have a nice day.